Good day everyone, my name is Mary Daniel Molina and today I'll be presenting about the introduction to Java programming. This topic will walk us through how Java began, its main features, and how it is built and run. From that, I welcome you to Introduction to Java. By the end of this presentation, you should be able to describe the history and origin of Java programming, explain the purpose and features of Java technology, differentiate between Java applets and applications, identify the versions and development cycle of Java, understand the structure and execution flow of a basic Java program, and lastly, to recognize the importance of naming conventions and organization in Java development. Java was created in 1991 by James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, and Patrick Naughton of Sun Microsystems. It was originally called GreenTalk, using the .gt file extension. Later, it was renamed as Oak as part of the Green project, and eventually became Java when they realized that the name Oak was already taken. According to James Gosling, Java was one of the top choices along with the name Silk. The name was inspired by the Java island in Indonesia where Java coffee originated. In 1995, Time magazine named Java one of the 10 best products of the year. Later, JDK 1.0 was officially released on January 23, 1996. Over the years, Java has evolved through many versions, starting from JDK Alpha and Beta in 1995, all the way to Java SE10 in 2018. Each version brought many improvements in performance, security, and functionality, making Java one of the most widely used languages in the world. The first project developed using Java was a handheld remote control device called Star 7, created under the Green project. This marked the beginning of Java's journey from small embedded systems to the powerful applications we use today. Java is more than just a language. It's a technology platform that includes 4 key aspects: a programming language, a development environment, an application environment, and a deployment environment. These components make Java versatile and suitable for a wide range of systems. One of the key strengths of Java is that it's object-oriented. It follows the major OOP concepts: objects, classes, inheritance, polymorphisms, abstraction, and encapsulation, which help developers build structured and reusable codes. Other features include being simple, secure, and platform independent. Platform independence means Java can run on any device with a Java virtual machine, whether it's software-based or hardware-based. It's also robust, portable, and architecture neutral, ensuring reliability across systems. Java is also dynamic, interpreted, multi-threaded, and distributed. These features allow Java to handle multiple tasks at once and operate efficiently across networks, making it ideal for web-based and enterprise-level applications. When you install the Java Development Kit or JDK, it creates several folders essential for programming. For example, the bin folder contains executable files like java.exe, which is used to compile your code. Here's how the Java program cycle works. You first write your source code and save it as a .java file. Next, you compile it, producing a .class file containing bytecode. Finally, this bytecode is executed by the Java Virtual Machine or JVM. There are two main types of Java programs. First, we have the applets. These are small applications that run inside a web browser. And then we have the applications, which are standalone programs that don't need a browser to run. Every Java program is composed of one or more classes. Each class contains one or more methods, and each method contains statements. All Java applications must have a main method which serves as the starting point of the program. When you run a Java program, the JVM loads the class and executes its main method. This method must always be declared as public, static, and void. A single file can contain multiple classes, but only one class can be declared as public. A Java application is made up of files like filename.java, which is the source code, then the classname.class, which is the compiled bytecode. The compiler and interpreter search for these files in the directories listed in your class path variable. Here's a simple example of a Java program. This program simply prints "Hello Java" on the screen, an important first step for every Java programmer. In Java, naming and organization matter a lot. For instance, the qualified name of a class might be course.student, stored at course/student.java. You can import a single class using import course.student or import all classes in a package using import course. Following proper naming conventions makes your code easier to read and maintain. It also avoids naming conflicts and improves access control when dealing with multiple packages. To summarize the process, write your Java source code, which is .java, then compile it to generate bytecode, which is that class, then execute it using the Java virtual machine. This process allows Java programs to run consistently on any platform. To wrap it all up, here's a quick summary of what we've learned about Java programming. Java was created in 1991 by James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, and Patrick Naughton under Sun Microsystems. It was first called Greentalk, then Oak, and finally Java, inspired by the island of Java in Indonesia, famous for its coffee. The first project developed using Java was a small handheld remote control called Star 7. Over the years, Java evolved through many versions, starting from JDK 1.0 in 1996 up to modern versions that continue to power web, mobile, and enterprise systems today. Java technology is both a programming language and a platform, meaning it provides not just tools to write code, but also an environment to develop, run, and deploy applications. Some of Java key features include being object-oriented, simple, secure, portable, and platform-independent, which means it can run anywhere with a Java virtual machine. It's also robust, multi-threaded, and distributed, making it ideal for complex applications. In the Java program cycle, we write it in a .java file, compile it into a .class file, and execute it through the JVM, which interprets the bytecode. Java supports two main types of programs: applets, which run inside web browsers, and applications, which are standalone programs. Finally, every Java program follows a clear structure. It's made up of classes, methods, and always includes a main method as the entry point. Proper naming conventions and organization also play an important role in keeping Java projects efficient and manageable. In short, Java remains one of the most reliable, secure, and versatile programming languages in the world, a language built to run anywhere, anytime. And that concludes my presentation on Introduction to Java Programming. We learned how Java started, explored its powerful features, and walked through how Java programs are built and run. Thank you all for listening.